5 steps to promote your school and become profitable. Step 1. The first step in promoting your school is to develop a comprehensive marketing plan. This plan should outline your target audience, goals, strategies, and budget. Step 2. Use social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram are powerful tools for promoting your school. Create a social media presence for your school and use it to share information about events, achievements, and other important news. Step 3. Contact local newspapers, radio stations, and cable TV network to let them know about your school and the events you have planned. This will help you reach a wider audience and get your school more visibility in the local community. Step 4. Host open houses and other events to give the community a chance to see your school and learn more about what it has to offer. This is a great way to generate interest in your school and attract new students. Step 5. Get involved in the community by participating in local events and supporting local organizations. This will help you build relationships with parents and other members of the community, and make your school more visible. By following these steps, you can effectively promote your school and attract new students. Remember to be consistent and creative in your efforts, and to always keep your target audience in mind. We empower schools. Contact +91 800 888 2481.